You recently were in a car accident. Write a letter to your insurance company. Dear Sir or Madam, I am writing to you regarding a recent collision I have been in with my 2008 Ford Escape SUV. At present, the vehicle is not suitable to drive due to the damages. On the morning of May 15, 2023, I had been driving my regular route to work when another vehicle pulled out of a parking lot without looking in my direction and struck the passenger front end of my SUV. The impact had crushed the quarter panel, and now the wheel is unable to turn. This is my daily driver, and a few of my colleagues carpool with me. Therefore, not only do I rely on this vehicle for transportation, but my coworkers do as well. I understand that the damage is extensive, and the repairs will take quite a while, but I am graciously asking you to find a way to expedite the repairs in order to return my beloved Escape back to me. We appreciate the service that your insurance company has provided thus far, which I am grateful for, the rapid and courteous care your representatives have provided in guiding me through this traumatic incident. Please contact me at any time if you have any questions or concerns, and I look forward to hearing back with the details of my case.